Hello everyone, this is the T-grade machine which is ready in the workshop, and we just gonna to run in the line. The line was built up with flying cutting die and with gear transmission, and even is coupled with cooling system. So just firstly we run in the line to show you how fast the line it is. 开机。 Let's see how it's fast. The line was built up to 40 meters per minute. And the completely can running on the rail. This is the profile cutting die. It's with 45-degree cutting unit. 春友，你站在这个机位，把我后面的机位挡住了。And this is the hydraulic pump station. Turkish head. And this is cooling system. See? Since the speed of the rolling line will up to 40 meters per minute, so it needs this kind of the coolant during forming. And it should coupled with motorized decouler, which is over there. Just we are short of the space for running. So right now we haven't put it into the highly speed since we short of the material. And we just gonna show you, this is by gearbox, new gear transmission. Another side is pillar stands with coolant system. The line was built up with 12 rolling stations. And let's see the workpiece. 要不要停机啊？ Let's see the workpiece. We can check the straightness and the cutting quality. Let's check the straightness of the T-grade. This is the completely line, as well as we tested here. Line was built up to 40 meters per minute. This is the double head decouler. It should be coupled into line to reach up the decouler speed, which can adapt the decouler speed with the forming machine speed. Let's review the line, cabinet. We have adjusted the cutting die just now. And after adjusted the cutting die, see, the cutting quality much more better. This end adjusted, this end not adjusted. After, before, this is much more better. Now we are going to run in the line with polymer material.